Join us on our incredible first day in Andalusia as we journey from the Netherlands to Malaga and head to the enchanting town of Ronda. Along the way, we make a delightful lunch stop in the picturesque village of Carratraca. Once in Ronda, we immerse ourselves in the magic of Andalusian folk music at a vibrant local performance. To close the day, enjoy a breathtaking star trail captured under the clear Spanish skies. This video is a perfect blend of travel, culture, and natural beauty, a must-watch for adventurers and music lovers alike.